Hey everyone, Double P here. So in today's trading session, I attack NVIDIA. So let's go through this really quickly. Right there, margin account. So let's go over the feeds. Stocks in real time, MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time feeds. Futures, I don't pay for the subscription here. I have futures on the account somewhere else. Forex, real time, others in real time. So real time account. Let's pop on over here. Let's get this out of the way really quickly. How we had a very powerful trade today, very powerful day. It was the 420 strike put for NVIDIA, the June 23s. And you can see right there, plus 60.18% on the trade. And I'll come down here and show you what I made. So let's come over here. Very powerful trade today. 68.18%, 32,400 on the day. That's the put. So what's the first thing we do? We always draw the box. The box is volume. The box is support and resistance. The box is volatility. And the box is price action, right? That's inside of the box. So what do? We wait. We wait for NVIDIA to open up. And as you see right here, where it opened up, today, I didn't violate my rules. That's why we were super successful today. For those Platinum X Power Option Trader members that took the trade, you were super successful today, right? When you adhere to your rules and you don't violate your rules, you become a very profitable trader. So it opened up. We didn't take the trade, waited to take the trade. So we come over here at 942. Let me just break out 942 for you. So what is this candle right here? Well, this is considered a doji, or it could be a thin spinning top, but you see the movement right here, right? Take the trade right there, and that's all we need, right? Out right here on the low. You see here I mapped out all my levels right here. Support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. Forgive me there, still got this. Dealing with this little cold here, this cough, sorry. And then you see the volume profile. How do we know this trade was going to be a fantastic trade today? Well, first of all, let me get rid of the volume because I don't like that on that chart, but I used it. So I'm looking at everything else, all right? Let me just push this over here so that you see it, what I'm looking at. So let's come over here to the market breadth. And there's a couple of different ways that you can look at this. So that you can see what I look at all the time is the lows and highs. This shows me exactly the percentage of stocks that are lows and highs. So it's the market breadth we look at. And then we look at the internals. This is what I look at. I look at the internals, right? Because this tells me everything I need to see when I'm looking at the marketplace. If the marketplace is up, if the marketplace is down, but that's a different story. That's a different tutorial lesson for us to get into. So let me draw the channel for you so that you see the channel right on that sell candle. I always draw the channels on either the really good sell or a really good buy type of candle. Right? There's your channel right there. Beautiful move to the downside. This was a steep escalator to the downside, out on the low. That's what you're supposed to be doing. That's how you're supposed to be taking the trade. Let's remove the drawing right there. And these are all pivot points. These are all gravity points right here. These are all gravity points that where the stock, Forex, crypto, Bitcoin, ETF, futures, these products must adhere to these gravity points. And you can see them right there. I have them all mapped out. This is all algorithmic, by the way. And this is all algorithmic order flow, right? So that's the channel right there. I can draw the box for you so that you can see the box, but you can clearly understand why we took this trade. So we can just take it right from here. That's block number 1, block number 2. So you can see the beautiful step down right here from the algorithms. You can see the volatility. You can see the price action. You can see the volume. Just a beautiful trade. And so let me finish this off here for you. So where do you think NVIDIA is going to close today, or where do you think it's going to trade? Well, you can see right here what the algorithms are doing, how the algorithms are moving this position around, moving the stock around, and looking at the gravity points. Where do you think NVIDIA is going to end up for the rest of the day? Well, look at these gravity points right here. 424.35, 421.74. Where's that range, right? Where we are now, 423, right? Look at that beautiful range to trade in. So that's it from Double P. I hope you enjoyed this end of the day trading recap. You see what I'm looking at. You see, let me just clear that up. Remove the drawing, remove the drawing, remove drawing, remove drawing. Just so that's a little bit more clear for you. But this is how you do it, right? You have gravity points where the position must move to. You have your box where you see what's happening with the positions. You draw your channels, you draw your boxes, you look at the price action, you place your trade, you're in, you're out, you do big block positions. Once you have experience to do big block positions, and you just sit there and let it ride out. So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this trading session. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.